All right, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time of the day you are seeing this. I greet you. Today, I'll be teaching you how to analyze trade from the higher time frame straight down to the lowest time frame. So, I have my weekly time frame here, my weekly time frame. And so, what I want to do is to begin to find points where I can join my trend line or horizontal lines. I can find resistance where I can find support zones. Okay, so here is one. This is my trend line here, and I drawing straight down to this point. Yeah, so I can see in this first point here, I have a touch of my trend line. The second touch is here. Then I have what looks like a fake out. Here is a fake out. A candlestick tried to push out of the trend line, but then it came back into the, you know, into the trend line, went back up, came down. So we consider that a fake out. And we have another here. You can see a breakout here, and then see a breakout at this point. It moved up to this point, and boom, it retested this point. And here we can see a long bullish candle indicating that the retest have been achieved and there could be a possible movement to the upside. So here is my weekly time frame. So on my weekly time frame, I expect the market moved up here, down here, up here, down here, up, broke out from here and retested this trend line, and I expect a movement to the top, at least to this point. So um based on this, you are looking for an opportunity to buy this particular pair, but you wouldn't want to enter now at this point. You would want to check lower time frames to know when best to enter this trade, because the best point to have entered this trade was at this point. Let me zoom in. At this point was the best point to have entered after the close of this bullish candle that we see here, this particular candle here. But unfortunately, we are at the market at the point in time where the market is here. So what do? We come to a lower time frame. Let's make use of a daily time frame. Okay, so this is the movement we see on a daily time frame. We can see movement up here, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so let's what we are going to do now is we're going to draw a trend line. Trend line helps you know the best points to buy or sell particular currency pairs. So we can see movement up here, down, up here, down, up here, down. So I'm expecting a movement to somewhere around this point, 1.09146, and then a movement to the upside. So once there's a movement to this upside, okay, let me draw another trend line. Okay, see another trend line here. Okay, I can see this. All right, so we can see this on a daily time frame. So the market most likely will come to this point. Not always, it will not always be as you have analyzed, but there's a great propensity that the markets follow the trend. So the market may move to this point here, and then boom, it makes a movement to the top. And if it breaks out of this top, we can expect movements even to a higher level. All right, so I'll be expecting to buy here. Let's look at a lower time frame. Let's say the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the market is, we can see what the market is doing here. A movement up, down, up, down, up, down. So the market's movement at this point, and then we expect it to move somewhere around here and then possibly break out from there. All right, so this is how we analyze our trades from a high time frame to the lower time frame. We can still look at a 1-hour time frame. Let's see what we can see off there. Okay, we can see the trend line here, here, here. So you expect the market to move down, and then before it begins to make a movement to the upside. All right, so this is how we analyze trades from a weekly time frame to the daily time frame, and then to the 4 hour time frame. And then for precision, you may want to use the 1 hour time frame to enter your trades. All right, that's it for today's analysis. I hope to see you some other time. All the best. Do well to share these videos to your friends who really do not understand how the concept of um, analyzing trades from the higher time frame up down to the lower time frame. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.